Hello, I'm so excited to invite you to an upcoming workshop. And this workshop is about how to design transformative retreats. This is going to be a very interactive and universal workshop. So what I want to do is take you through activities that you can use, what parts of the day to use them, why those activities are going to activate different neurochemicals in the brain and the body that will lead to transformation. And then we'll show you how to piece this together bit by bit, piece by piece, even how to facilitate each activity as it flows into the next. And what you're going to do is you're going to be left with an entire one-day event or a portion of a retreat. And I want to show you how to do this and why it's so impactful to format it this way. And it's not designing a retreat my way. I'm going to show you how you can mix and match different varieties and variations and activities, but also, very importantly, how to facilitate them. Okay, certain activities are going to be focused around endorphins, okay, and your body language, your tone of voice, and the energy that you facilitate on an activity of that nature is going to be different than ones that you would use focused and fostering like oxytocin, the love hormone. Okay, so make sure that you join, register with the link below, join this workshop. It's going to be incredibly fun, impactful, and you're going to leave this workshop having a one-day event that you're going to be able to go out and teach and guide immediately. All right, so much love, and I hope to see you in the upcoming workshop.